Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another Apple product for you guys. So in this video, we are going to be unboxing the iPod Touch 7th generation in product red. So yeah, let's go ahead and crack it open and take a look around the iPod. So I just pulled off the sleeve that came with the iPod on the Apple Store. So yeah, here's the casing for the Apple iPod Touch. So it is going to be the product red one, so it will have like product red logos and everything on the sides. So on the side it's going to say iPod Touch, Apple logo, product red, and then it's going to have my serial number information on the bottom. So I did get the 32GB iPod Touch just because I'm going to do it for some basic things such as storing some photos on it, running around with it, and storing some music on it. So yeah, at the bottom of the box actually, it does say it includes the iPod Touch earpods, lightning connector, USB cable, and I like how it says the battery life and charge cycles vary with use and the settings. Battery may eventually need replaced. I like how they have to include that now just because people were giving them issues with it. But yeah, anyway, it's just like a typical iPod Touch box. So let's go ahead and crack it open. I'm going to apologize, my voice is a little weird, and also my lighting sucks. I know it's always sucked, but it is like 8 or 9 p.m. right now. So yeah, and I am using my DSLR camera, my Nikon, so hopefully the quality is okay and it doesn't make weird noises. But anyway, let's go ahead and crack open the iPod. So it's just the typical way. You just take the top off and you peel off the seal. So it should be like the old iPods. You lift up, lift the iPod out, if it wants to come out. There it goes. So you do just lift it out like normal. So I'm going to set the iPod aside. So it does say designed by Apple in California right now. Let's get there. So it does say designed by Apple in California still. And inside here, we're going to get a product red card saying that it will donate some of the proceeds of this iPod Touch to the Product Red Foundation, which is a pretty nice thing to do. Also in here I got the normal documentation telling me how to use the iPod, warranty information, and some Apple stickers. Also included in the box is that lightning connector and the cable in there, and then some headphones with a regular 3.5mm jack. Because the iPod still does have the 3.5 jack on it. But I'll just leave those in the box because I do have the AirPods, as you guys are aware. So yeah, so to unbox the iPod completely, all I have to do is just peel up the seal, and bam. I can go ahead and pop it out of its tray. So basically the iPod Touch 7th generation is what I have, and they just basically made it the same exact processor as the iPhone 7. It does have the A10 Fusion chip in it now, as compared to the old one, which was the A8 chip. So it should be significantly faster on its performance. So taking a look at the back of the iPod, it is red in color. This is my first colored iPod besides the gold one. I did have a gold 6th gen, but I haven't had it for a while because one of my friends actually needed it, so I sold it to them. So I'm just going to go ahead and power on the iPod. It should have the white splash screen. And yeah, let's see if I get used to a home button again. Both my devices that I have do not have a home button. I really wish they would have put Touch ID on the iPods, because that red one would have looked really cool. So it's just going to be some basic setup. So we are just going to go ahead and set up my Apple ID, continuing. So while it's doing that, let me go ahead and give you a little tour around it. So at the bottom, of course, it's going to have the 3.5mm headphone jack, lightning connector, and the speaker grill. On the back is going to be the 8-megapixel camera, I believe, unless they upped it. I would have to double check on that. But I do believe it's an 8-megapixel camera on the back. The iPod logo, the product red information at the bottom, the 1.2-megapixel front-facing camera, and then at the bottom is the standard home button. And of course on the left side is the volume rockers up and down, and at the top it is going to be the power button. So I'm just going to agree to the terms and conditions, enable location services. I am going to use iCloud Keychain. I'm going to set up Siri, share with Apple, and I can go into my iPod. So looking around the iPod Touch, it is the 32GB iPod Touch like I said before. And yeah, so it shipped with iOS 12.3, which isn't too bad. And yeah. So other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be doing a comparison to the iPod Touch 6th generation pretty soon. And it does have the raise the rake feature, which I did not know. So I'll be showing you guys the comparison between the 6th gen and the 7th gen iPod Touch pretty soon. My sister does have the 6th gen in blue, 32GB as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little video of me unboxing my new iPod. It is actually my birthday on September 1st, which is today, and is also the reason why I have the new iPod. My sister actually got it for me for a present. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one, which should be the iPhone release day. So stay tuned for that. Yes, I am getting the brand new iPhone that is going to come out. I will be watching the Apple event, and I should be live streaming if I am home from work. So I'll see you guys then. Bye now.